Hello everyone and welcome back to Know Nothing Garage. Today I'm finishing up one last project in the nursery, which is hanging a floating shelf. So what's fun about these floating shelves is basically it's just these little keyholes that you slip a screw into. So you can see here that just slips in. The problem with these is that you're doing it completely blind once it's on the wall, so you have to have your measurement in between the two perfect, absolutely perfect. So I just measured out these and they are 17 7/8 apart, which is not super helpful for figuring this out, but that is okay. So I'm going to be mounting it here, so I'm going to try and get it as centered as possible in between the corner and the wall, and then up a little bit. So that's kind of my framework to work in between. Okay, so here is where the fun math comes in. This isn't too hard, but basically it is exactly 40 inches in between these, and we know that these are almost 18 inches apart, so 40 minus 18 is 22, and then divide that in half, and basically I can go from that corner 11 inches, draw another 18 inches out to 29 inches, mark, and that should be where my two holes go. So now comes the fun and infuriating part, which is making sure the screws are out far enough. So if they are out too far, the shelf will be wobbly on the once it gets mounted. If they're too far in, it'll never mount. So it's a lot of trial and error, a lot of taking the shelf off and on again, and moving these out a quarter turn at a time, and just kind of guess and check until the shelf mounts up. Oh, there's no way.
It worked?
There's no way, and it's like perfect. It's not too loose.
Babe.
There's no way.
That. So much easier.
There's no way I got. The last time I did this, it took me. It's not quite level, which is really hard to correct on these. Okay, no, that's level. Sorry for all the drama for no reason. That has absolutely never happened to me. I hung two of these for Marissa in her office, and it took me a half hour, 45 minutes to get the screws right. Like I said, I kept backing them in and pushing them in to make sure it wasn't too loose and too tight. But that looks pretty good. It feels solid on the wall. I wouldn't leave it there if it wasn't. So yeah, that's what it's about. It can be quick or it can be a long time, as long as those measurements are perfect and the screws are in the correct depth, then it should be as easy as that. But that has never happened before. So that is how you mount a floating shelf. It's pretty good. But that is all I have for you guys. So if you like this, then please like and subscribe and turn on the notifications, and I'll have more videos like this. So thanks for watching. We will see you in the next one.